Hello students, in previous lecture we are learned about features of Java. In today's lecture we are going to see about difference or comparison between C++ and Java. Before we start difference between C++ and Java, we are going to see about C and Java's difference. You know about C and C++. Now only compare those languages with Java. So let's see about difference between C and Java. Java, first difference is Java is an object oriented programming language and C is a procedure oriented programming language. You know about what is meant by object oriented and procedure oriented programming language. Second one is a Java support OOPS concepts, but C does not support OOPS concepts. OOPS means object oriented programming language. Third one is a Java is using bottom up approach and C top down approach. Fourth one is a it means Java is a high level language. The translation of code is taken place into machine language which uses compiler or interpreter. You know about compiler, how it works. In C, it is a middle level language as it is binding the gap between machine level and high level language. You know how to compile or run a program in C. Fifth one is in C, declaration variable are declared at the beginning of the blocks, and in Java you can declare a variable anywhere. Means in C language you can declare a variable only in a beginning of blocks, but in Java you can declare a variable anywhere. Means what? You can declare a variable whenever you want a variable, or whenever you need a variable you can declare it. Where? In Java. Next one is Java does not support pointer, but C support pointer. You know about pointer concepts in C, but these pointer concepts not present in Java. 7. One is memory management is also an important aspect which is to be considered, because in Java do not allow to access any memory which is internally manages, and thus it is easy to focus on developing the business logic. That means memory management concepts is not allow in Java because it is done in by internally. Next one is the exception handling. You know about exception handling because you learned it concepts in C++. In exception handling is one of the powerful mechanism in Java which allows maintaining the normal flow or the program in a case of any abnormalities which we cannot achieve directly in C. Next one is Java does not include the C unique statements, keywords, size of or type defs, etc. That the size of and type def keywords not allowed in Java, but these keywords allowed supports them in C. This is the difference between C and C++. Now we are going to see about difference between C++ and Java. There, see here, Java is a pure or true object oriented language, but C++ is basically C with object oriented extensions. Second, Java does not support operator overloading. What is meant by operator overloading? You know, because you learn C++ in the polymorphism concepts. In polymorphism there is a concepts available in operator overloading. C++ supports operator overloading. Next one, Java does not support multiple inheritance. The accomplished using new concepts interface. C++ use supports multiple inheritance. Next one is a Java does not use pointer. Java has replaced a destructor function with a finalized method, but C++ supports the destructor. Java does not support global variable, but C++ support global variable. Java does not contain header files, but in C++ contains header files. You know what is a header files used in C++. These are the difference between Java and C++. So, in previous lecture we are going to see about JVM, means what is JVM, why we use, where these concepts we see in next lecture. Now we are going to stop here. Thank you.